Pac-Man, certified in Rialto ENT, Menace Productions. I stay strapped, I go to school, and I still pack. I don't bang the hood, but I still represent. I got haters hating, but they keep motivating. I'm from the IE, right here in San Bernardino County, where all you see is gangsters and drug dealers on every corner you be. I got critics watching me, and I got haters stalking me, but I'ma still do what I do best, and nobody will ever be able to stop me. I'm from Rialto ENT, and hopefully certified soon, cause this is just an everyday life I'm living, and nobody knows how bad I be tripping. It's just the street life, it's just the gang life, just trying to survive through this life. It's not all that fun packing the gun, trying to get by and live my life. It's an everyday thing, trying to survive on the streets. Every day on the west coast, south side, right here in the IE, I'm telling you how an everyday life is. Just like LA, the IE don't play. Every day on the west coast, south side, right here in the IE, I'm telling you how an everyday life is. Just like LA, the IE don't play. We going from Rialto to the D, and we don't just play, we come with our heat. We don't know how to play around anymore when we run the streets. You know, back in the day when I was young, when I first started running the streets, I thought it was all fun and games, but then I realized how the streets were, and I stepped my game up. Now I'm an OG, letting little niggas know how to run the streets. I got my man from the military showing them their techniques. Menace Productions, certified ENT, Rialto Entertainment. Yeah, we're gonna put Rialto on the map. We're gonna do it just like G'd Up did, and we're gonna go all out. We're not gonna let them pussy ass cops stop us from doing what we do best. We representing where we from. Rialto's most winning gang, yeah, I'm putting you on the map too. I represent it to the motherfucking fullest, ain't nobody gonna stop me. Every day on the west coast, south side, right here in the IE, I'm telling you how an everyday life is. Just like LA, the IE don't play. Every day on the west coast, south side, right here in the IE, I'm telling you how an everyday life is. Just like LA, the IE don't play. Enemies, I'm coming with my burner out, you better watch what you say. It's already cocked, you can't even hear it. So I guess I just gotta do what I gotta do. Rialto Entertainment ain't the only thing I'm reppin'. Rialto's most winning gang, yeah, we gonna make it to the top of this rap game, and the cops won't be able to stop me. Rialto City, you gonna make it to the map too. I'm representing for the Inland Empire, and I'm not leaving unless I'm in a body bag. You see, all these little kids trying to think they know how to run the streets, especially the ones in the D trying to be a G. They only like 14, 15. They think they already know how to run the streets.